that when a man dies, his janaza is covered in 3 cloth. But when a woman dies, her janaza is covered in 5 cloth.
Sanahan, artis India ternama yang sukses di beberapa film mengejutkan publik setelah keputusannya untuk meninggalkan dunia hiburan yang telah membesarkan namanya itu.
In my past life, of course, I had everything. I had name, I had fame, I had money. I could do anything and everything that I wanted, but one thing that was missing was peace in my heart. You know, I was like, there's everything, but why am I not happy?
Dan baru-baru ini, ia mengungkapkan alasan yang membuat awalnya dia mantap untuk menutup aurat dan ingin lebih mendekatkan diri kepada Sang Pencipta.
It was very tough, and there were days of depression. There were days of Allah's message that I could see through His signs. I always tell people that there was 2019. I still remember during Ramadan, I used to see grave in my dream. And I used to see a burning, blazing grave in my dream. And I used to see myself in that grave. I just didn't see the empty grave. I saw myself. And I was like, this is the sign that Allah is giving, that if I do not change, this is what my end is. And you know, that is something that got me little anxiety. And I still remember the changes that were happening. And one night, I used to listen to all the motivational Islamic speeches, you know. And one night, I remember reading something which was so beautiful, that they said that when a man dies, his janaza is covered in 3 cloth. But when a woman dies, her janaza is covered in 5 cloth. And what was the moral of the story of that? It's like, because Allah doesn't like even a dead woman's body where people can see her shape. And also, even if you're dead, Allah covers your head, the women. And it was so beautifully written that you don't want your last day to be the first day of your hijab. And that is something that touched me so deep. Yes. I'm sorry. You know, next morning I remember I woke up and I'm like, that was my birthday. And I'm like, I bought a lot of scarves before, you know, I just bought the scarves. And then I remember I got up the next morning, I put this cap inside, I wore the scarf, and I'm like, I will inshallah never remove this ever again.
Sanahan juga telah menceritakan pengalamannya tentang umrah dan haji. Dia telah melakukan umrah berkali-kali, namun belum melakukan haji. Sampai tahun ini dia mendapat kesempatan untuk menunaikan ibadah haji. Semoga Allah merahmatinya. Wallahu a'lam bishawab.